Today we're making one of my favorite dishes I used to eat growing up. My mom made her famous Derev is what she called it. Sarma, more commonly known. Some people call it Dolma. Sarma means to roll. Basically grape leaves stuffed with meat and rice. Let's do this. So you actually only need a few ingredients to get this done. We're gonna use some ground beef, some medium grain rice. I'm using Calrose, but you can use whatever you want. You need 1 onion, 1 lemon, some tomato paste, a few spices, and I'm gonna put pepper paste in this. It's not what my mom did, but pepper paste makes everything better. So you wanna take the top off the onion, and we're just gonna peel it. Grab yourself a box grater, and we're gonna just grate the onion inside. Or rende, as my mom would say. My eyes. All right. I'm not crying, you're crying. Jesus. You want about half a teaspoon of allspice, some salt, black pepper, 2 heaping tablespoons of tomato paste, and the same amount of pepper paste, 3/4 of a cup of rice. And now you just mix it up. Some people put more rice. We don't like a lot of rice. You can do it however you want. Just add a little bit more. There are no rules here. I'll put the full recipe in the description below. And let me know in the comments if you do it any different. Here's a fun trick if you can't open the jar. Use a spoon, just pry it open a little bit, and that'll get air inside of it. There's air inside, and then it should just open. It should just open. Things aren't working right now for me. Oh, my arms aren't working. Work. This actually normally works every time, but not right now. I can't grip it. Ooh.
2 hours later.
There it goes. Got it. So you want to rinse these really well in some water because the brine in there is going to make it extra salty, so you want to wash it off. Our leaves are nice and washed. You want to make sure that if it has these long stems, you want to kind of snip them off. You don't want the stems. So pro tip, as you separate them all and you kind of stack them, you'll see all the stems here like this, and you can just snip all the way down. And now the fun part begins. Take your leaf, stem side up. You want to take about a tablespoon of the meat mixture, lay it in the bottom third, roll the bottom up, flap the side, and roll it fairly tight. Not super tight, but fairly tight. And keep going. And with the assistance of my amazing cameraman, Josh, we got these done. So we're gonna grab ourselves a pot. You wanna lay down some leaves on the bottom of the pot, and this will kind of help protect the dolma from getting burned. So you wanna pile them in nice and tight. It's tedious work, but it's definitely gonna be worth it. I guarantee it. Nice and stacked. Now we're just gonna add some lemon, throw in 4 or 5 garlic cloves, and top it with some water. And we're gonna do about 3/4 of the way with water. Perfect. So you're gonna put a plate on top. This is gonna weigh it down so they don't unravel. Top it with a lid, and now we're gonna simmer it for 30 to 45 minutes. You want those leaves to get nice and tender. This has been going now for about 40 minutes or so. I killed it and I let it rest. You want that water to kind of absorb. If there's too much liquid in it after, you can kind of pour that out, but just let it wait and absorb. Ooh. Looks good. Pull off the plate. That's hot. Oh yeah. Take your plate on top. This might spill everywhere. Wish me luck. A big reveal. Oh yeah. Oh, look at it, look at it. Delicious. And now the best part. We serve it up. Hit it with a little dollop of Karun yogurt. Whoop. Nice. And there you have it. A pretty simple sarma, or derev as my mom always called it. If you like this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. Let me know what I should make next. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Man, that's delicious. Just like mama used to make it. Want some?